Hey, what's up, guys? Today is December the 11th. What's today? Tuesday or Wednesday? What's today? Tuesday or Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, December the 11th. We're out here on our first of two jobs. This is a new client. He actually found me on Google. He was just gave me a lot of praise about my online presence, my videos, my reviews. So he moved from Alabama, Birmingham. He bought this condo from the previous homeowner. Got in here and realized the floors needed a little TLC. Sent me some pictures. I never came out here and did a consultation. Again, most of my jobs that I'm doing are just booking with pictures, videos, and just enough information. So I gave him a price, sent him a proposal. He signed it, and me and Tavares is out here today to do these floors, which is going to be a screen and recoat. And then after this, while the finish is drying, we have to go in Buckhead. I have a repeat client who also is in a condo. She had her condo painted, and she said, Courtney, there's drywall dust everywhere and the painters cannot get it up, so we got to go clean that up after this. So show you guys what we're going to be doing. This is a pre-finished Brazilian cherry floor. Let me flip this around, guys. So first, check out this view. Again, we're down here in Midtown, close to the IKEA. It's a furniture store that's very popular, so that's where we are now. So anyway, these are the floors that we're going to be doing, and as you can see, guys, you got scuff marks. You got scuff marks everywhere. See all right here. See all that, guys. So when someone moves into a place and they start seeing this, this is definitely not appealing to the eye, and you definitely want to you got some residue right here. See all that. All right. Also, we're going to be doing some little color correction. Now, it's also in my contract, these deep scratches. There's really nothing too much we can do about those, but sometimes we can feel them if they're deep enough. So we'll see what we can do with those. Also got some veneer missing right here and also right there. And you can see where they had a rug. So anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started and get this floor looking really good for my client so we can keep our clients raving about our services. All right, guys. Thank you. Look great. Yes, sir. Hey, you remember all those scratches and stuff you was talking about? Yep. Yes, sir. All right, guys. We just got back. From Buckhead. Took care of my client. She was very happy, and now we're back with our new client. Yep, guys. Yep. Floors look great. No, too much lighting, not enough lighting here. Let me see. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. So we are going to head back to Gwinnett County. We have two tomorrow. We have a screen and recoat and a kind of like today. We got a screen and recoat, and we also have a glue removal job that we're going to be doing in Kennesaw. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.